Hello friends, welcome back to the Blender Basic series of animation. In the last video, we learned how to rig a human character manually using bones and what automatic weight paint means in Blender. In this video, we are going to explore something really powerful, inverse kinematics. What is inverse kinematics? Why do animators use it? And how can we apply it to specific bones in our rig? I will explain everything step by step. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. So this is our previous character, and we will use this character for inverse kinematics. First go to Edit mode and select this foot bone and extrude it in Y direction. Make sure that our bone should be straight in Y direction. And again select this bone and press Alt-P to clear parent and name this bone IK target.L. Make sure that name should be in .L form. Now come back to Pose mode and Selection Bone and select this Bone tab and apply Inverse Kinematic. Now select that Armature in Target tab on which our IK works and select Bone, which will work of IK bone. It means we have to select this IK target bone. Our character has been tilted because this IK is working for all bones. To fix this problem, Selection Bone and set the chain length at 2. Now our IK bone is working well, but there is one challenge that our character leg is not much stable. To fix this problem, go to Edit mode and select this knee bone and extrude it in Y direction. Press Alt-P and clear parent and move this straight in Y direction. And name this bone pole target.L. And again come back to Pose mode, select Sheen bone, pole target, select Armature. And search for Pole Target Bone in Bone tab and select it. Now you can see that our leg has rotated. Don't worry and set this pole angle to fix leg position. Now our leg has been fixed to its original position. And our leg is more stable now in rotating and moving. Now we have another problem, that our foot is moving down in ground when we are moving whole character. To solve this problem, go to Edit mode and select Foot Bone and IK Bone, Ctrl-P and keep offset. Now you can see that we have resolved this problem, but there is another problem challenging us, that our leg is stretching when we are moving our object. To solve this problem, there is another bone constraint. Select Foot Bone and select Copy Location Bone Constraint. Now select Armature in Target tab and select Shin Bone in Bone tab. Our leg has been shifted to head position of shin bone, so we have to fix it back to tail position. Head and tail position tab is in Copy Location Constraint, so set this value at 1. Now our leg is working well, and this is the use of inverse kinematics in Blender. There is another add-on I will suggest you, that when we are moving our IK target bone, then only IK target bone is moving. The pole target bone is not moving. So go to Edit mode and select both IK bones, select first pole target bone and press Ctrl-P and keep offset. We are joining both the bones because this make easy to animate character. Now again go to Edit mode and select all the left leg bones including IK bones and right click and select Symmetrize. In my previous video, I also explained about the Symmetrize function, so you can learn about it from there. Now both side legs bone are ready to use. Now we can animate our character easily in walking and running style, and it can easily perform stunts. If you watch this video from start to end without skipping, then congratulations, you have passed the beginner level of bone constraints in Blender. In the next part of this series, we will talk about human walk cycle animation. Till then, practice this IK setup, and if you like this video, then subscribe and share this video.